Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video we will share with you the most powerful price action trading strategy. So, this is a very simple, yet profitable price action strategy for every trader. As usual, we'll have plenty of practical examples. The idea is to fully understand this wonderful trading strategy and to make the most out of it. If you want more videos more often, please smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell so that you know exactly when new content is released. And don't forget to share this video across your WhatsApp, Facebook accounts, or Twitter to show your support. A very important point before we start. Everything we discuss in this video can be used for currency trading, stock trading, and crypto, because price action stays relatively consistent across different assets, so we're going to go very in-depth in this video. The most powerful price action strategy. You look at the weekly time frame, or perhaps the daily time frame, and the price action context looks bearish. However, when you look at the 4 hours or 1 hour chart, the context looks bullish. Now you're not sure if you should go long at your trade location or be worried about that seriously bullish trend on the 4 hours chart. Has this or something like it happened to you? Ever been confused trying to understand the price action trading trends on the daily, 4 hours and 1 hour charts? If so, you're not alone, as many traders like yourself have challenges in learning this skill. The good thing is, you can learn how to trade price action on any time frame with the right training and skills. In today's price action strategy video, I'm going to share with you 3 tips on how to do price action trading on the daily, 4 hours, and 1 hour charts, or any time frame. If you want to trade like a professional trader, you'll have to understand price action context across multiple time frames. Price action tip number 1. How do I know which time frame to read the trend? One of the most important and fundamental ways to look at time frames is to understand them by the following photo. What do you see in these 3 shots? Starting on the left, we have the wide lens, 18 millimeters, which shows this shore or side of the lake, trees on both sides, and a couple peaks near the top left. In the middle, we have a 55 meters wide lens which only shows the short on the other side of the lake. It also shows a third peak which is more easily seen to the upper right. On the right side, we don't see any lake, only one major peak, with a well-defined white strip of snow and lattice structure on the mountain. 3 lenses, same piece of land. Now let me ask you this question. Which one is right? Which one is the most accurate? The answer is neither, or better yet, whichever is most important to your needs. And that is how you need to think of price action on the weekly, daily, 4 hours, 1 hour, or any time frame for that matter. Each time frame is its own lens, or perspective about the price action and order flow. Hence each time frame has its own trend. The key is to pay attention to the time frames most relevant to how you'll trade. Do you have a full-time job and can only trade a few hours after work? Unless you have some solid experience in trading or reading price action, I'd recommend the higher time frames. For our discussion, here is what I consider the higher time frames. Monthly, weekly, daily, and 4 hours on Euros United States dollar. The overall guide on how to relate to this is: first, look at the monthly time frame chart if you are looking at several years and want to hold trades for about a year or more, often called position trading. Second, look at the weekly time frame chart if you are looking at just a few years and want to hold trades for several months at a time, perhaps close to a year. Third, look at the daily time frame chart if you are looking to do swing trading and want to hold your trades for a couple days, up to a few months, or perhaps quarter. Fourth, look at the 4 hours time frame chart if you are looking to do swing trading and want to hold your trades for a couple days up to a few weeks, or perhaps a month. Note: in this video, I've included a template with the system that you can simply upload to your chart, and it will automatically plot all these indicators perfectly on your charts, so there's nothing for you to worry about. Get the download link on the description. A few months of price action on one chart may have more meaning, information, key levels, etc., than another chart for the same amount of time. You cannot bottle price action context and time into perfect rules. Hence use these as guides, not fixed rules. If you are someone who has the capacity and interest to trade price action intraday, then I'd recommend the 1 hour down to the 5-minute charts. Remember, price action as a skill can be used on any instrument, time frame or environment. If what you're learning only works on specific time frames, then it's not a real skill of price action trading. Just like good footwork in basketball works in high school, college, or pro, from offense to defense, it works in all aspects of the game, because it's a core skill. The same goes for trading price action. So the first key skill to understanding multiple time frame context is, the trend is based upon time frame. Here are other examples of the multiple time frame price action trading to fully understand this wonderful strategy. Price action tip number 2. What daily time frame strategies do you recommend? Many traders want to trade the daily time frame and are wondering what trading strategies you can use. There are many strategies we teach in this channel, but in this video we will learn breakout pullback setup. This daily time frame strategy is best used when you are trading with trend. Here are 3 major components for a breakout pullback setup. First, find the overall price action context and trend on the daily time frame. Second, find a key support level for bear trends and resistance level, bull trends, that has been touched 2 times before, at a minimum. Third, wait for the market to break out and pull back to the level. If you've done those 3 things, you've likely found a good role reversal breakout pullback setup. There is more to this strategy: what type of trend you are in, which are key support and resistance levels, what is the best price action context to trade breakout pullback setups, etc. But you have the basics. Now you'll want to practice this daily time frame trading strategy and learn how to spot these profitable trade setups. Here are other examples of the breakout pullback trading to fully understand this wonderful strategy and to make the most out of it. Price action tip number 3. How do we trade price action on the 4 hours charts? If your primary time frame for trading is the 4 hours charts, then most likely you're doing swing trading. In essence, you're trying to capture larger swings in the market. Without a doubt, you can use the breakout pullback setup on the 4 hours chart, or any time frame for that matter. Here are a few tips you can use when swing trading the 4 hours charts. First, have the daily chart as your higher time frame context. When in doubt, try to trade with this the most. Second, don't expect the market to go straight to your target. Note, It may require a few pullbacks before it gets there. Eventually, with enough skills in reading the price action context, you'll learn when those pullbacks are part of the trend or leading to a major reversal. Third, mark your support and resistance levels on the daily and 4 hours charts. Here are other examples of the price action trading on the 4 hours charts to fully understand this wonderful strategy and to make the most out of it. You've now learned 3 price action trading system tips for trading the weekly, daily, 4 hours, 1 hour, or any time frame chart. They are, first, the trend is based upon the time frame. Second, you can trade the breakout pullback setup as a daily time frame strategy. Third, trade price action on the 4 hours chart in conjunction with the daily time frame chart. When you start to approach trading price action context with the strategies and guides I've outlined above, you'll build a framework of skills for trading price action on a more advanced level. As always, if you learned something new, or if you want more videos more often, make sure you subscribe, click the notification bell, and share this video across your WhatsApp, Facebook accounts, or Twitter to show your support. See you next time.